Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is visit to coffee shop. It was a bright and sunny morning when Sarah woke up feeling excited. She had been waiting for this day for a long time. Her best friend Emily had promised to take her to a new coffee shop that had opened in their town. Sarah loved coffee and she was eager to try something new. After getting ready, Sarah put on her favorite dress and a pair of comfortable shoes. She checked her phone and saw a message from Emily. I'm on my way. See you in 10 minutes. Sarah smiled and grabbed her bag before heading out. When Emily arrived, the two friends hugged each other and started walking towards the coffee shop. The streets were busy with people going about their day. Sarah and Emily chatted and laughed as they walked. They talked about school, family, and the latest books they were reading. Soon they reached the coffee shop. It was small but cozy place with large glass windows and a beautiful sign that read the coffee corner. The delicious smell of fresh coffee filled the air, making Sarah even more excited. The girls entered and looked around. The shop had wooden tables, soft chairs, and warm lights that made the place feel welcoming. A friendly waiter greeted them with a smile. Welcome to the coffee corner. Please have a seat and take your time to look at the menu. Sarah and Emily found a nice table near the window. They sat down and picked up the menu. There were many different types of coffee, cappuccino, as well as cakes and sandwiches. Everything looked so good. Sarah said, yes, I think I will try a caramel latte. Emily replied. Sarah decided to order a mocha, her favorite drink. They also ordered a slice of chocolate cake to share. As they waited for their order, they looked around the shop. There were other customers enjoying their coffee, some reading books and others working on laptops. The walls were decorated with beautiful paintings and shelves filled with books. Soft music played in the background, making the atmosphere even more relaxing. After a few minutes, the waiter brought their drink and cake. Here you go, enjoy your coffee, he said with a smile. Sarah took a sip of her mocha and closed her eyes. This is amazing, she said happily. Emily smiled as she tasted her caramel latte. So delicious, I loved it. They took small bites of the chocolate cake, enjoying the rich and sweet flavor. As they ate, they talked about their dreams and future plans. Sarah wanted to travel the world, while Emily hoped to open her own bakery one day. The time passed quickly as they enjoyed their coffee and conversation. After finishing their drinks, they decided to take a few pictures to remember their visit. They laughed as they posed and captured happy moments. Finally, it was time to leave. Sarah and Emily paid the bill and thanked the staff for the wonderful service. As they stepped out of the coffee shop, Sarah felt happy and grateful. This was such a great day. Thank you for bringing me here, Emily. Emily smiled. Anytime. We should do this again soon. As they walked home, the sun was beginning to set, painting the sky in the shades of orange and pink, Sarah held on to the memory of their coffee shop visit, knowing that moments like these were special. Sarah could not wait for the next adventure together. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon with another similar video. Until next time, goodbye.